Hello po, welcome to channel ko. Hi guys, me Kaylee. Welcome back to my channel. So today I got hired. Yes, I got a job, guys. So my TD card earlier today asked me if I can, check on the dogs, and I have a new job, and I'm so excited. Let's go, woohoo! Yeah. Seatbelt on. Let's go for a drive in our limo. Joke line. So today I'm trying out a little summer job for today's video and see if I can do well for my first ever time. And also I'm wearing fashion too. My sunglasses, hat, this is very sunny today. And my new Zara bag, super pretty. I can't wait to babysit the dogs. I haven't seen them before. Well, not really, just go check on them. And I do know the dogs because I have met them before a few times. And thank you to the park for letting us check out the dogs. And I'll show you guys their names and we'll show you them. Cute. So we're just gonna check. So they're just outside technically, the dogs, for like a little time. And right now it's lunchtime and I haven't had lunch, but we're still gonna go. Good. So I haven't seen them for almost a year. It's not a joke, a year, right? And there's a Labrador. One of them is a Labrador, and I bet they're so huge because last time it was so huge and it's so yappy. One of the dogs, it like it had like a ruff. It's so loud. But now we're gonna go inside and see them for the first time after a year, guys. Let's go. Now let's meet the dog after 1 year. Now let's go. Hot outside today, guys. And it's super. And also I'm wearing fashion. Oh my god. Who do we think? Kobi! You have so much hair now.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, after so many years. Hello, Kobi. Oh my god, I told you I'll go like on this little area. How are you guys? Oh, they miss me. So maybe if I get paid, maybe just a cent per hour. But they're really cute. Hello guys. Oh, you got more feisty, Kobi. After so long. Say hello to the viewers, guys. Say hello. Take a top. They're kind of shy, or they don't know who the viewers are probably. But the Labrador right there, the black one, is Kobi, and then the fluffy dog that's like white is Norman. I haven't seen them in a long time, and they have grew their hair. So puffy, Norman, you're so puffy now. I miss you. You were so tiny at the time. I love you so much. Kobi was like this big, and now he's this big, guys. It's so humongous. Like, for so long, Kobi, I want to hug you. Because like we can't go like that since we're trying to stay away from each other for 60 days, we still have the quarantine. We try our best to stay away. But like I noticed a little difference between them. Like Kobi is like more yappy, and then Norman is like, so
chill. Yeah,
he just chills around, and then Kobi's like, let's go play. Guys, look at that. They're so cute and adorable. I wanna, touch them, but I can't since. It's like a zoo, guys. They're coming. So fun fact about Norman. Norman can understand Filipino and Tagalog a little. They're trying to chill and stay away from Kobi. The reason why he's staying away from Kobi is just that he's kind of too scared. Wait, they heard him. Aww. They're so big now. They're so big. I miss you guys. I remember when I used to cuddle with you. And I used to put my feet on top of his fur and then give him a massage. There you go, Team Card. We have evidence that we really came here for this video. So don't forget, please go to Team Card. I've been a really good girl. Maybe you can give us some hamburgers, maybe some donuts, maybe even some sweets, maybe even treats for the dogs. they're still fine. They're breathing and they're safe, which is good. Little short clip with me with Kobi and Norman. And we will go maybe later, just I don't really know if the park will really let us go. And look, Kobi's having his little water for his lunch, which is good. So I guess Kobi and Norman were actually doing a job. They're painting, guys. Look, there's water and there's food to paint on the floor. Bloopers, guys, sorry. Charlang, that's just for a little fun in the video. What are you doing, Kobi? Say hi to the viewers. Come on, say hi to all the dog fans right here. And Norman's just chilling, like enjoying the sun in his face. Oh, Norman, I miss your fur. But I'm not gonna touch you since it'll be dirty. Oh my God, Kobi, why do you keep so big? Oh, now you grew. First check of the day, which was done. Maybe later we're gonna go back so we can check on the dogs again. Well, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified when my newest uploads come out. Don't forget to share this with your friends and all people can see Kobi and Norman together. Super cute. And guys, even the dogs have a barbecue. Were they cooking lately? What did you cook? Norman, what's on your barbecue? Norman? Kobi? I guess they ate all the food there. Bye, doggies. I love you guys. Miss you. See you guys next time. So it has been 3 hours and now it's our second check of the day. So now we're going to see if Kobi and Norman are still safe and they're still good. Now let's get on to it. So now it's the second round of checking on them. Now let's go. I'm really excited to see them after 3 hours. Hopefully they ate anything. So now we're just gonna go and sit on after just 3 hours. Go, go, go. Kobi! Norman! Well, Kobi was here. I called him and he's finally here. You listen. Good job. Can you get your brother? Your brother of Peaceland? He's so yappy and so happy that I'm here. Oh, he's so cute. Say hello to the viewers. Oh, he's so adorable, guys. But Norman, it's just start chilling in the sun. Like, he doesn't really want to come out and say hi to me now. There, after a long time. There, Norman. Norman, are you happy? And then there's Kobi and Norman. So now let's check if they've eaten. So Kobi ate and kind of have his food there, and then the water kind of not really drink it, but fine. How are you, Norman? Staying in the sun. It's very warm outside today, very hot. Probably that's why they're super yappy. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified when my newest uploads come out. Don't forget to share this with your friends and they can see Kobi and Norman together being super cute. And bye, mabuhay. Gusto nida. Saranghen!